Hey guys, welcome back to How to Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change background color on SquareSpace, right? So right now I'm into the SquareSpace and you have to just click on the edit section, which is here, which is on top left side corner. Okay, so click on the edit and after that you will get into the edit, and here you can edit everything, images to videos to background, everything, right? So you have to select the whatever the background you want to change. Let's say if I want to change the background of this one, right? So I will just select this one, and here there is a edit section. If you want to change this one, then click here and you will get the edit section, right? So I will just click here and here is the edit section. So click on the edit section and here you will see three options: format, background and colors, right? So you have to just go to the background and you can see that you can even add the images, you can even add the videos and art, this kind of art which is pre-made. You can just select any of them. So here I'm going to say you that how you can change the color, right? Let's say I like this one, right? So I will just select this and right now it is changed, right? So it's you have to do nothing, you can automatically change the color of the background, right? And according to your preferences you have changed, then click on the drone which is on top left side corner, and when you will take your mouse here you will see that there is option of save and discard changes. Click on the save and it will get saved, right? So you can see that after that you can view this here. You can see that the color which I have changed here, it is already changed. So this is pretty easy, guys. I hope you found this video really easy, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.